tama lang.
Sabi ni Jen, sana hindi na lang yung practice. Sana points na kaagad yun.
Okay, 1 point for...
1 point from Team 4. Ay, from Mary Rose. So,
Okay.
Mary Rose, may chance ka pa. Ready, round 2.
Ready,
set, go! Team 2. So, tayo si Mary Rose at saka si Jen. Okay. So, round 3. Ready na?